how to light this fireplace. All right, we have our little controls down here. We have our igniter here. So what we're gonna end up doing, right now, it's in the off position. This is your indicator over here. And down below here, this is your indicator as far as your flame height. So, you've got it in the off position. You are going to turn it and push in to the pilot position. And you should start to hear kind of a hissing noise. That's going to be your gas coming to it. It may take a couple of minutes of holding this in, depending on when the last time you lit this was. All right, let's see if I can. And then you are going to press the starter. At the same time. All right. Sometimes you have to press it a couple of times, but if you look in here now, you're going to see a flame. Might need to hold it for a minute or two. And then you are going to slowly let up, and as soon you'll feel it kind of almost pop. Yeah. Okay, it's still in the pilot position. And our I guess you would call pilot light is what this is. That is now staying on. This unit is basically nothing more than a space heater. So it operates in the same fashion. After that's been going for a couple of minutes, you can actually push in slightly and turn this to the on position. That's what's going to let your gas start running through the rest of these, which you see right here. This is what's actually going to produce your flame. And I probably should have said from the very beginning that your key is what actually allows your gas to go to the fireplace. This is what turns the gas on and turns the gas off. So whenever it is turned to the right-hand side, that's going to be in the off position. You turn it all the way to the left-hand side, and that's going to be on. So you want your gas to be on when you start this process. And then up here, you're going to flip your switch. And then your flame should come on. And sometimes this takes a little longer than others, depending on how long it's been sitting there without being used. And then you can adjust your flame height, either low or turn it back up high at your convenience. And then whenever you want to shut it off, come back over here, flip your switch, and you'll see your flame die out. But your pilot light is still going to be lit. Make sure you always turn your knob right here, slightly press in, and turn it to the pilot position, because this is what's going to prevent all of your the gas going to the rest of the fireplace. You do not want your house to fill up with gas. That would not be good. So, and if you wanted to, you could also turn it to the off position, and then that's going to kill your pilot light as well. So, hopefully this was easy enough. And the other thing is, if you don't care for using the starter, if you find it to be a little too hard, you can actually take a barbecue pit lighter, one of those long lighters, and after you turn it to whenever you turn it to the pilot position, you can actually just manually light it. So that's easy as well. Hope this helps.